going to show you a KidPik box. I've never done this before, and I'm so excited to check it out. Here we have some lovely shoes that are very sparkly and they have stars on the side, and I cannot wait to try these. Next we have some pants and here's the shirt that goes with these pants, and so cute. Next we have a positive energy shirt. Okay. Next we have some nice pants. I like those. Ooh. And here we have a
nice
jacket. And then lastly, we have sunglasses. Hi. Oh, it makes everything pink. I like those.
Is that it?
Yes. It's itching my arm a bit. Alright guys, I'm going to try these on for you. And here are these sweatpants. And then we have this side of it. And then the shoes. I really like the shoes. And then we have these awesome sunglasses, and everything is awesome. Positive vibes. Oh, so I like this outfit, and I'm wearing the same jacket again, but I will show you the shirt. Here's that shirt. And it's actually really comfortable, and it goes with these pants. There. Wait, you already, what? Okay. That was it for my first KidPik unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. What are you doing? Hi.
The first item was the Gray Stripe Active Tank for $16.50 regular price, $7.12 if you keep everything. The Chevron Fleece Cardigan, $32.50 or $14.03 if you keep everything. Positive Energy Active Tee, $17.50 or $7.56 if you keep everything. The Side Taped Sweat Medium Pant, $22.50 or $9.71 if you keep everything. Side Taped Stripe Legging, $24.50 or $10.58 if you keep everything. We have the Aviator Sunglasses, which are $7.50 or $3.25 if you keep everything. And the Glitter Starry Sneaker, $36.50 or $15.76 if you keep the entire box. Then we go down here, and the total with tax is $168 if you would buy everything individually, and if you would decide to keep the whole box, it is $72.78. Typically when you buy in the entire box, you get a 30% discount.